So I was out for more than 30 minutes. I came back now. So I went out for a snack. So where I had a snack, there were people, huh, known people. So what do you call it? Then when I came back, then I went to the portable guy. He has to pay me cash because the portable repair guy didn't refund the money yet. He said data won't be recovered, but he is not. He's short of cash now. He said that he cannot refund. No, he cannot. What do you call it? He is unable to refund. He is spent it on his personal thing. So I was like, जाने दे, छोड़ दे, कर दो, जितना टाइम लगता है उतना करो. So he was like, he'll call me in the morning. कि जो होता है वो होने दो, मेरे को क्या उससे है ना. टाइम पे उसने काम तो आया ना, उसने बताया ना कि वो स्मैश किए, समझे. बाकी मेरे पीठ पीछे उसने क्या किया है मेरे को नहीं मालूम भाई, समझा. और so when I came back, I took that picture. So while coming into the entering the lift premises, I saw the electricity goes off. No, not the electricity. The camera is being shut. So at least for 20 seconds the camera will be shut that I am coming upstairs, right? That means something was done, and the camera tamperer is no other than in this office now, or in the house. Camera has been tampered in the house. So something has been done. What has been done? I was out. My brother also went out to buy coffee. So scammers had a Safi and took a dump here, right? So something has been done. Who other than Beduk Chap? Who can it be other than Beduk Chap? So they are tampering surveillances, making it blank. So just now I came upstairs. Why what do you call it? By the elevator. Why they are doing this? Because they have done something. Because they have done something. While I was out, while my brother was out also buying coffee, and they had a Safi and they took a dump over here. What dump did they do? Who cares? Piss off. Fuck off. Anyways, the one who enters houses is famous all over in the Palava. Right over here. Even guards know him. He's quite famous. Long back I came to him. Everyone has a close eye on him. The one exact same guy, the one who stole my t-shirt, who dares to enter other people's houses. Same with the portable hard disk. Data was deleted in 2022. Same day. Doing this.